अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे एयर टू सी कैपिटल लेटर और साथ साथ हम कलर सीखेंगे। क्या सीखेंगे? A B C Z तक और साथ कलर नेम सीखेंगे। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद है तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें। जेंडा कलर, रेड कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पर्पल कलर, ब्लू कलर, sky blue color, magenta color. A is for alligator. B is for ball. C is for car. D is for dome. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for grip. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for joker. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nose. O is for onion. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for wind. W is for watermelon. X is for Xmas-tree. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo. E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Next video.
हम सीखेंगे 1 to 25 तक नंबर्स। क्या सीखेंगे? 1, 2, 3, 25 तक और साथ साथ हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे। ब्लू कलर, रेड कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पर्पल कलर, डार्क पिंक कलर। Number 1, Number 2, Number 3, Number 4, Number 5, Number 6, green color, Number 7, Number 8, Number 9, Number 10, 1, 0, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 11, 1 to 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18. Dark pink color. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे A to Z capital letter और साथ साथ हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे। लाइट ग्रीन कलर, लाइट पिंक कलर, रेड कलर, पर्पल कलर, orange color, blue color, magenta color, green color, light green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, orange color, blue color, magenta color, green color. E. A is for airplane. A is for airplane. B. B is for balloon. C. C is for cherry. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for frog. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for hen. I is for igloo. J. J is for joker. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pumpkin. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for extra. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zoo. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and G. अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे कलर नेम्स और स्मॉल अल्फाबेट्स। स्मॉल अल्फाबेट्स A to Z तक। A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, A B C लिखेंगे A to Z तक। और साथ हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे blue color, green color, magenta color, light pink color, sky blue color, purple color. E. A is for airplane. J is for Joker.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
F is for Frog.
R-S-T-U-V-W-X.
D is for Tiger.
Now I know my ABCs.
V is for Van.
Sing with me.
Green color. C is for Car. G is for Grapes. H is for Hen.
A-B-C-D-E.
P is for Pumpkin.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
X is for Xmas tree.
R-S-T-U-V-W-X.
E is for Elephant.
Now I know my ABCs.
N is for Nose.
Next time won't you sing with me?
R is for Rose. Z is for Zebra.
A-B-C-D-E-F.
B is for Balloon.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
L is for Lion.
R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z.
Q is for Queen.
Know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
D is for Dog. I is for Igloo. M is for Moon. O is for Ori. U is for Umbrella. Y is for Jojo. K is for Kite.
A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
S is for Sun.
Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z.
W is for Watermelon. A, B,
I know
C, D,
next
E,
won't you
F,
sing with me?
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे 1 to 15 तक काउंटिंग। क्या सीखेंगे? 1 2 3 50 तक लिखेंगे और साथ साथ हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे। ब्लू कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, लाइट पिंक कलर, रेड कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पर्पल कलर, ऑरेंज कलर।
Now I know
1
ABCs. Next time won't you sing
2
with me?
3
A B C D
4
E F G H I J K
5
L M N O P Q R S T
6
V W X
7
and Z. Now I know my
8
ABCs. Next time won't you sing
9
with me?
10 11 1 1 11 12 1 2 12
A B C
13 1 3 13
H I J K L M N O P Q
14 1 4 14
V W X Y and Z. Now
15 1 5 15
next time won't you sing with me?
16 1 6 16 purple color
A
1 7 17
F G H I J K L M N
1 8 18
Q R S T U V
1 9 19
X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
2 0 20 22 23 24 25 gender color 26
A B C D E F G
27
J K L M N O P Q R S T U V
28
W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
29
Next time won't you sing with me?
30
A B C D E
31,
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U
32,
W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know
33,
ABCs.
light green color,
Why won't you sing with me?
34, 35, 36, 37,
A-B-C-D-E-F-G
38,
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T
39,
W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
purple color,
A-B-C-D-E-F-G
42,
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V
43,
W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs.
44,
Next time won't you sing with me?
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 15. बच्चों अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग।